We really like this rug. My wife just fell in love with it when she saw it. It's a great value for what you pay, and I think you'll like it too. Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Layla Collection Area Rug. It was wrapped and protected very well. It was also rolled in such a way that when you flip the rug over, it's not going to take as long for the outside edges to relax and lay flat. I like that. Let me state right now that this rug is wife approved. As soon as she saw it, she said, "Ooh, that's pretty." So right here I want to give you a little bit of close-up so you can see the quality and the stitching. Just give you an idea of what this rug really looks like. It's very nice rug. Now, I may not be the greatest rug expert in the world, but everything that I saw looked very high quality. We originally bought this rug as a gift for someone, and I was going to lay out and see how it looks, but my wife may decide to keep it. Here's a little more close-up of the rug. Now, we really like this rug. I think there is a lot of value in this rug for what you pay for it. It looks great, high quality. I think you'll like it as well. So if you are looking at this rug, I hope you found this video helpful.